Instagram Reels black screen problem. This problem is happening due to Instagram server problem or network issue. You can solve this problem by following some steps. So let's see the steps. First of all, swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. After turn off flight mode, now go to settings. Go to settings and then go to apps or apps management option. Now scroll down and find Instagram from the app list. Now tap on Instagram. Now go to storage option and then clear cache your Instagram storage. Now press on back button and force stop your Instagram. Now go back to home screen. Go to Play Store and then search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After this process, now go to Instagram and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.